and welcome to another episode of Stamp Time with Miss Jane. What shall we make today, you ask? Well, today I've had a request to recreate the Elfie pop-up wallet card, gift card holder. So I'm going to show you how I made this little fella. So it's got a belly band and it's all embossed. I'm not going to emboss the whole lot today. And up pops a gift card that you can give to a friend. So this one's a Christmas theme. I'm going to make a birthday theme one today with the very cute little penguin from Count on Me. Okay, so first of all, I have a piece of Coastal Cabana, and it is half an A4 long ways, which is the 10.5 centimeters. Okay, then I'm changing over and I'm going inches because it's the way I work things. I go half and half. So get my trusty trimmer, and I have 10 inches this way. Now I'm going to score at, move that out of the road, 3 inches, and the pale grey one, give it a good score line, and 4 inches, and 5 inches, and 8 inches. Now this is a lot easier than working with 20 points of centimeters. Okay, so this is the base of what we need. Get your trusty bone folder, and we are going to do the top and the bottom as if it's a wallet. Okay, but then this middle one is going to be up. So we've got mountain, and this one belly, and score from the back. Okay, so you've got an mountain, valley. Okay, so this is the basis of the base of it all. Now I'm going to take a retired corner punch and punch my edges on the flap that will be the actual wallet. And 1 and 2. You could also use the reverse punch of the envelope punch board, and you can do the same. You can punch. That will give you the same result as well if you have a punch board handy. Okay, that is one. Now I'm going to, before I glue anything down, I'm actually going to take the Painted Texture 3D embossing folder and just run the top of the wallet flap. Okay, I'll do that now. Okay, and that gives it some nice texture. Okay, fold that over. I'm just going to give it another good score everywhere. Okay, fabulous. One more, just like to be sure. Okie dokie. So now this is the part that we are going to create the room for our gift card. So we can start first by just either gluing or taping these ends here. So I'm going to do that step now too. So along this very bottom line, and the very sides. Okay, rip that off. Rip that off, she says. The whole lot wants to come with me today. Whee! Okay. And I will run my bone folder over that to make sure it's nice and secure. Stick that bit of tape back in there. Cheeky bit of tape. Okay, so this, as I say, this is where we're going to put our gift card holder. So what I might actually do is make a little pen mark here and here. So we need to make our punch just a bit wider than that so that it will fit through. Again, I'm going to use a retired punch that I have. This is the one I used last time when I made the elfy little fella. So coming just to the outside of that line. Now I don't need to go that high up. We're just creating a slit. And this side, just creating a slit. Okay, and where I've got this bit in the middle, I'm going to take my retired 1-inch circle punch and create a little finger nib. Oh, that one poked me in the head. Okay, so now I should be able to get my nib apart. Take your pick tool, just run that through there. There you go. Look at that. Gives you a nice slit there. And now you can pop your gift card in just like that. Okay, and then we can decorate our gift card wallet and create a belly band for it. So let's create the insides first. So I have 2 basic white pieces cut at 7 centimeters by 10 centimeters. And I'm going to do some stamping with, I have first of all, Biggest Wish stamp set, and we're going to do happy and birthday. And taking my Coastal Cabana and my Stampin' Piston mat, because we're using photopolymer. Is it a nice? Okay, and we will do our happy. I'm just going to stamp that off and stamp again just to make sure my ink pad's okay. It's a bit fuzzy, little bit fuzzy. And while I've got the Coastal Cabana, I'm also going to take the It's Your Day from Happiest of Birthdays and pop that on the next. Stamping this upside down. Upside down, Miss Jade. Okay. Stamping that on the next one. And Memento Black back with this one for our birthday. And just under there. And then I'm going to decorate with, closing that up, the little stars. So the little stars come from Hippo Happiness, these little stars here. So I'm using a few bits and pieces today on this. See, that looks like it made a bit of a splosh. Let's try and cover that up with the stars. Okay, some happy birthday stars. And on this one, some happy birthday stars. And you'll have room on this one to actually write write whatever sentiment you want to write to your friends or family. Now these pieces can be glued down or taped down. Just lay a bit of tape. Okay, so it's your day. Pop that one down the bottom. And as I say, you can write to Fred and Mary and Joe and whoever. And your happy birthday on here. Okay, so that creates the inside of the wallet and the wallet part itself. And now for the very cute little fella called Penguin from the Count on Me stamp set. So to create my penguin friend, I have the layering circles dies. I have a scallop fresh freesia and a basic white circle. And take my Memento black and my penguin. Whoa! Ink him up. Stamp him down. And we can colour him in. I have some stamping blends to do that. So I have the light basic black. So colouring the outside of my little friend penguin. This is a very cute little fella. So the basic black, and I have a light pumpkin pie, and do his beak and his little feet, his little web feet. And I have a dark fresh freesia and a light fresh freesia. And this balloon. Okay. So pop him down. I may as well just use the tape that I've got out. And I cut the scallop so that you get to see a fair bit of that colour of the fresh freesia. Okay, so that's that and that's that. Last but not least, we've got to do a belly band. So I have some fresh freesia, 4 centimetres by 19 centimetres, and a piece of the Pansy Petals Designer Series paper, which is 3.5 centimetres by 19 centimetres. And I have pre-taped that one. So that can get taped down to this piece here. And we're going to make a belly band. Now, pretty sure that's about 7.5. Now, I'm going to grab my trimmer again, and I just want to mark this out. No rhyme or reason here, I'm just leaving a bit on this end, but I want 8 centimetres. So from this mark, don't really need to do that. All all you really need to do is just line it up and curve it around and see where it kind of goes. I was just doing that crazy step just to get these a bit, what's the word, just a bit, can't think of a word. Okay, now we just need to tape put some tape on that side and some tape on this underside on this side. Take that off and pop that down, and that's going to fit. I'll turn that up that way on our gift wallet. Nicely. And our little friend here, we might poke him up on some dimensionals, I think. So, and we want to make sure we're not putting them on the edge. So we'll put 3 down the middle. And pop him on the front. And there we have a very cute penguin gift card, pop-up gift card wallet. So you can take his belly band off and out pops the gift card with the happy birthday and the it's your day. What do you think of that? That's pretty snazzy. Pretty snazzy way to give a gift card, isn't it? I've got that a little bit snug at the moment. Just give it a wiggle and it'll start and loosen up a bit for you. So here's a penguin and here's the Elfie that I created Christmas a couple of years back. So I hope you like this, and I hope this helps my friend that requested that I recreate this so that they could give it another try at home. And if you've got a request for me, please reach out and let me know what you'd like to see. I always like ideas. Trying to come up with things all the time sometimes gets a little bit tricky, but he's a bit cute, my little friend here. But so was Elfie. He was just as cute. Super both cute. Okay, until next time, keep smiling, keep stamping. Bye.